Hello everyone. Today for class 7 we will be starting a new chapter, that is acid, base and salt. Actually all of you know this is actually I am belongs to a science discipline of chemistry. So actually we can say that this is my chapter. So I will just try to explain you in details of this chapter. So obviously you will be reading whatever the textbook is available to you, but in this chapter first we will be discussing about the acid, base and salt and also related topics. So in class 7 acid, base and salt, first you have to read here indicators. Actually indicators means which indicate whether a substance is acid or base or salt. That means, see, there is something which can detect whether a solution is acid or base or salt or neutral substances. Just like, see, we can say that the indicator is an organic dye which change in color in different solution like acid and base. That means, see, when you put it into acid, then it will show one color, and when it will be put into another solution like base, then it will show entirely different color. Means by seeing the change of color, we have to identify which solution is acid and which solution is a base. Generally, there are two type of indicators. One is called natural indicator, another is called the synthetic indicator. And under the natural indicator, the two famous indicator comes. One is the litmus, another is the China rose indicator. And turmeric indicator also is there. Phenolphthalein is also there. Methyl orange and the phenolphthalein, these are the synthetic indicator. So first, see, let me explain here about the natural indicator, litmus. You know, there is a plant which is known as the lichen. From lichen, litmus is extracted, and this litmus, when it is dipped into a acid, blue litmus turns into a red. And again, see, when the red litmus is dipped into a basic solution, then it turns into blue. And again, see, if we consider here turmeric powder is also turmeric powder. You know that is means we are using in our household also for cooking purpose. That turmeric is also an indicator. And turmeric powder, when it comes in contact with a base, it becomes red. That's why, see, one phenomenon I will just tell you. One thing means which happens in our daily life. Accidentally, a yellow curry stain on your white shirt become red when you scrubbed with a soap. Suppose you went to a party or any marriage ceremony, then suddenly actually curry stain falls on your white shirt. Then if you actually rub it with a soap, then you will be seeing that instead of removing, it will become red. Why it will become red? Because, see, that the curry contain what? Turmeric powder, and that is a natural indicator. And now soap is a basic substance, and so when this base comes in contact with the turmeric, what happened there? Then it turns into red. So instead of removal, then it will become red. Then how it can be removed from the cloth? It can be removed from the cloth by rinsing with the clean water only. Now, phenolphthalein indicator, it's an synthetic indicator. And phenolphthalein indicator, you know that the phenolphthalein indicator actually in acidic solution it remains colorless, but when it actually come in contact with a base, it becomes pink. Then, see, next topic we have to know about the acids. Acids means what are called acid? Acid is a substance which react with base to form a salt and water. And again, see, when it comes in contact with the blue litmus, it becomes red. That is the acid. Generally, depending on the source of acids are classified into the two categories. One is called the mineral acid, another is called the organic acid. Organic, the word comes from the organism. That means, see, those acids which are extracted from the living organism known as the organic acid. Example, you know the citric acid present in the lemon, as well as the acetic acid present in the vinegar. Then also formic acid present in ant sting. Then these are all organic acids. Mineral acid means which are actually obtained from the mineral, just like see hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, etc. Organic acids are very weak acids. We can eat them, we can drink them, whatever you can call. But mineral acids are very harmful. They are actually, they have corrosive nature also, and that's why if they falls on our skin, it can burn our skin also. That's all up to this in this video, and in the next part we will be discussing in another video. So I hope that this will help you to understand. And also you can send, if you have any queries, you can send me a message in my personal WhatsApp number, or you can write in the comment section of this video. Thank you.